Yeah. Hmm? Okay. The recording. Yeah. Uh, yeah. I'm just on my office. Yeah. Not really special. I have a bit thought about the class, about the vectors.
Hmm.
Uh,
Okay, yes. So we are going to do vectors. So how far have you gone with the preparations?
uh, I have some. I have some ideas.
Hmm.
So, so I had an idea of yeah. So you want to introduce the vectors?
Oh, you want to
And
show me?
yeah, I've maybe a picture that can make it a bit clear. Uh,
Okay.
let me see. Um, share.
Yes, you can share.
Uh, Let me see where it is. Okay, it's not the final version, but I was thinking about introducing it by forces, the vectors. So I
Hmm.
would draw like a force here. Oh, it's not really working, but a force along this cable of the car and along this cable of the car. So
Hmm.
the idea is the this car is stuck or something, and we have two other cars that want to pull them
Hmm.
out, and then this the upper one, yeah, then I draw two vectors from along these cables and then ask the
Hmm.
students where do you think the like the car when it's gets loose will go, and then they can maybe already think a bit that just probably like in this direction in the middle, and then maybe uh yeah, start off by a multiple choice like that, and then yeah, they can already have an idea of where they yeah what the idea of they have already can have an idea of addition, but I then
Hmm.
after that I will see if I
Hmm.
make it more rigorous. So then I define a vector as like or a column vector, I think you call it. Uh, so column vector, and then I will define something like
Ah.
column vectors are equal if both components are equal.
Hmm.
And then I let them do some additions of vectors. So I give them some examples, some concrete examples of two vectors, and I have to add it. And then, of course, the scalar multiplication will be also there. So I give them like that. Uh, yeah,
Okay. Okay.
and
It
then
is really it's a brilliant idea. My
okay.
thinking now is if you can first come up with a PowerPoint, like the
Yeah.
flow of the presentation,
Mm,
and then we look at which learning outcome are we aiming at to achieve during the lesson. That maybe we are looking at additional vectors, we are looking at
uh,
equality, or we are looking at subtraction. Then we focus on that specific learning outcome, and then we align our lessons and then the assessments within that given direction.
okay. 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 That's interesting. Yeah. Um, do you think it is okay, Kaziba, if I treat like factors the equality, addition,
Mm,
scalar
mm,
multiplication, and then maybe
mm.
also the length in one lesson? Do you think that's okay?
Yeah, it is very fine. It is very fine and okay. Yes, then like after developing, then we shall scale it up and see that now this is enough. Here we need to exclude them. It will be too much for 1 hour lesson. So we start looking within that direction.
Okay.
Mm.
So,
Could that be possible on your ends?
what did you say?
I'm saying, is it possible on your end to first have the preparation within that direction, such that when we meet or when we come for an interaction, we have the discussion from within that direction?
Yeah, yeah.
Mm.
Uh, yeah, that's right. And what topics would you, yeah, for me, I'm, which topics do you want me to focus on? Are these okay? These,
Yes, I like you have said that we can use equality,
okay.
addition, and subtraction. So that one can be our, even if we focus on one, as long as the learners have been able to understand the concept.
Yeah, yeah,
Mm,
yeah. Yeah, that makes sense.
mm,
Okay. Okay, sounds fun. Yeah, I can. So subtract. So addition, subtraction, equality. That's enough. You think?
mm,
Okay. Okay, that should be doable, I think.
mm.
And there was also some. Uh, yeah. Do you also want me to make it like you had as translation? So you had some pictures where you translated the triangle or something. Would that be in another lesson, or would you like that have?
If possible, you can include in those vector pictures, you can include on the application pictures. Yes, as long as something that children can use
Okay.
to contextualize and be able to apply.
Yeah, I see.
As long as when they look at it, they can be able to see now vectors in real life.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Then I'll think about it. Yeah. I okay. Uh, yeah. You also
Mm.
want real life applications? Sorry, maybe that.
Yes, if possible, you can have that real life application. Even if it is just one, it will be enough to show them the applicability of vectors now.
Okay. Okay.
Mm.
Do you think that some uh do you think this kind of example could be clear?
Yes,
Uh,
this example can be clear of the
okay.
car.
Okay.
Mm.
Yeah. Okay. That's nice.
I don't know that you can animate it in a way that we can see the car taking on the different directions.
Oh yeah, yeah. Maybe. I'm not. I'm. Yeah. I haven't done that ever. So, um,
Mm.
yeah. Maybe I can do something with ChatGPT.
Uh,
Uh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's maybe interesting to have like more dynamic thing. Uh,
mm,
yeah. Uh, yeah. My idea here was to just have kind of three or here two vectors like this,
mm,
and then maybe give them a multiple choice of vectors. So I draw like three possible options of resultant vectors here. So which direction of the is the car going? This direction, or one in the middle, or one here. So something to uh, maybe a bit basic, but I would say for the first acquaintance with vectors, just to have an idea, and then which of the ones is it, so I can uh, call this A, B, and C, and then
yeah, this
maybe.
is very okay. It's going to
Okay,
be a good.
okay, that's great. Okay, that's good to hear. Okay, then okay, uh, yeah, uh, yeah, okay. Sounds it's good to hear. Uh, okay, yeah, maybe. Yeah, okay. Then I have already a real life application. Uh, okay. I think I have enough info, I think, to just get make some slides. And you also
Mm.
would like some we're also doing some quiz afterwards, right?
Yes, yes, we need
Yeah.
at least some quiz or Kahoot, anything as long as it is an assessment form that
Yeah.
will help them.
Okay. Yeah, that sounds good.
Okay.
Yeah. So, and 40 minutes class and a quarter or 20 minutes or something quiz.
Yeah, yes, we can give the quiz 20 minutes and then 40 minutes for,
Perfect. Okay.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. I think that should be doable. Uh, so we'll focus then on scalar multiplication. Oh no, only no, I said it wrong. Addition, subtraction,
And
and then
uh,
uh, maybe this example, and then maybe some translations also.
so what we do, first have everything prepared, and then when we meet again,
Yeah.
we shall just sieve out that maybe this concept you can ignore it depending on the time and depending on your program planner.
Okay.
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. I can meet. Yeah. So if possible, I would like to give the class already next week. Is that already possible? Or is
Yes, it is possible
okay.
as long as we plan early. So if you can finish it, then we can have a session, just
Okay.
showcase and see how far you have gone with the preparations.
Yeah.
And then from there, we can say maybe we can use Monday, but now for you Tuesday works well, then we can use Tuesday.
Okay. Okay. For the class already.
Yes, for that
Okay,
class,
for the
really.
class. Yeah. Uh, okay, that would be great. Yeah, Tuesday would be Tuesday is fine for me.
Mm.
And then maybe I can. So if we have Tuesday the class, then maybe Friday that we can meet to show the preparation and see how it's going. Or is
Oh,
that
you are saying this Friday?
this Friday? Yeah.
Okay, yes, Friday we can still meet.
Oh, that's
Uh,
great. That's great.
mm.
That's great. Do you have a preferred time on Friday, or is it
Friday, I would propose around 11, 12, around that time. 11,
11?
my time. So I think that's around 10 your time.
Yeah, that's that. Thank you. Yeah, that's
Mm,
about 10 my time. Yeah.
mm,
Yeah, that's uh yeah. Yeah, that would be great.
mm.
10 my time. Sure. Friday, okay. Uh yeah, then I'll get to work with that. Let me see. So I'll put it in my agenda.
Mm.
Write it down. Then, so 10 for my time and 11 for your time. And then Tuesday,
11
uh,
my time, then your side, I think,
yeah, yeah, that's
can
exactly, yeah,
have the
yeah,
lesson.
yeah, yeah. And Tuesday the lesson,
Mm,
uh, Tuesday the class.
mm,
Uh, okay. Um, yeah, I think I'll figure out. Uh, I think I'll figure out then. Yeah. Is there anything? I don't
Okay,
think, yeah, I think I'm
I
happy with
think,
the, yeah.
mm, okay, I think that is it. Thank you for the work done. This is very, very good.
Okay. Okay, that's good to hear. Uh, yeah.
And I feel we are getting there.
Okay, that's good to hear. Yeah, I think it will be all right. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Have a very nice day.
Okay, have a nice evening too.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you too.